Join the team for only $35. These are actually our VIP signals that we send actually daily. The VIP signals is actually lifetime, so you just join once and you enjoy the signals. So what's really happening is once you join, we also get our indicator. So this indicator will show you actually where to buy, where to sell. So it's just simple. You buy the signal, you also get the indicator for only $35 and it's lifetime. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye. Good day, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. Today we're a bit late, but it's fine. I'll just make it very quick. So what's really happening? Today we just started with Euro USD. I think the picture or the structure is quite straightforward. We can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. Even though we have a counter trend line, but it seems like the market is breaking out of that. So we might see the market pushing towards this support area before pushing up again. So this will just be something like this. Then I'm expecting the market to do something like that. So now we have a support area, which is a counter trend line, and that actually is not really that stronger. That's why we saw the market breaking out. So instead of the market respecting this area, we see the market is pushing up again, which means the euro is getting stronger again. Do you see that? Euro is getting stronger because the dollar was actually pushing lower before, but it seems like that is changing. So it means maybe the market will be going back to retest here, or maybe we will see another push to the lower side. So the best thing that we can do is let's wait for the market to give us a certain structure. Maybe the market will end up creating a structure like that. Currently we don't know, so we have to wait for the market to show us something. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is USDJPY. I like this one because it's just straightforward, and I like the fact that it's now rejecting or trying to retest. So what's really happening? We have a very nice structure, which actually was a very nice downtrend. This was a downtrending move. We had a very nice resistance on top where the market was actually even respecting that, but it seems like the market since that the market broke out, the market pushed, and a very nice retest and consolidation a little bit. Now the market is pushing to the upside. So what we're waiting for now, we're just waiting for the market to give us a much better retest, something like this, before we jump on that buy. On top there, we should mark that area. That might be our next resistance. The market might be trying to give us another resistance like that. So maybe the market will end up moving like this before pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? Yes, we can see that the market is still actually on a downtrend. The market is still downtrending. So the best thing that we can do is let's try to go closer. You can see that we already drawn everything, by the way. So you can see that, yes, we see that the market actually is still respecting this downtrend, but on top here we also had a resistance area. Do you see that? So along the way, the market created a nice structure where I was forced to draw a support area. So the market broke out of that. That's why we see the market pushing lower, but the market was... It's a helicopter, guys, sorry. It's making some noise. So we had a sell, but the market actually rejected. But at the end of the day, the market was actually on what? On a downtrend. Mostly this is it's the problem that mostly we get. You see that, oh, the market is pushing lower. Maybe you entered here, the market rejects against you. Few days later or few hours later, the market is back in your favor. That is the problem of the market, and we can run away from that. Sometimes the market will just try to go against you, but that doesn't mean that maybe you were totally wrong. So just accept, take the loss, and you can get another maybe another move or another opportunity. So for now, I'm still bearish actually, but where we are now, I can sell. I will wait for the market to break this support, and then I will sell, or maybe the market should go back on this resistance before I think about selling, if the market will be respecting that resistance. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. This one's actually was playing games last week because we had a very nice sell. But let me show you what's really happening. The market was actually on a very nice uptrend. So now we see a breakout, which means this breakout is trying to say that I'm tired of going up. Now I need to push lower and create a downtrend, because the market has been pushing up actually. So that downtrend actually is no longer that valid, as the market actually broke out. We saw several retests. You see the market retested again, but now it seems like the market is going back again. So this structure here sometimes might be confusing, because we see some areas where the market created some sort of a support. You can see the market respected that area. So we don't know if maybe the market will respect this area and push lower, or maybe the market is trying to create something like this as a support there. Then the market will maybe moving like that. I don't know. But I think the best way is to just wait for the market to show us something before we conclude and say, okay, this is the structure that we're going to follow. But for now, I'm still believing that, yes, we are still on a bearish momentum. Whatever that we have here, yes, some of sort of recoveries. It seems like GBP is trying to recover, but I still believe that we might still see some serious sell-off. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold also pushed up actually, but yeah, I like what I see actually. But let's push back for you so that you can understand why we reached that area. You can easily see that the market was pushing up nicely. We had a very nice support, very strong. Then the market broke out. Since the market break out, we see that the market actually tried to do what? The market tried to start to create a downtrend. You see the market is trying to do what? To push the lower side. So now we're expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. So while we see that we have some sort of resistance, support, resistance. So I think maybe the market might be touching this area and pushing lower. I still believe that the market can still go lower than this, but the structure is also confirming. You see where we are now. I think the market will be actually respecting that area. You see this area? I think it's where maybe the market will be respecting and pushing lower. If it pushes up again, it might respect that, unless if maybe the market breaks out and start to push the upside. But I'm still believing that we might still see some very nice sell-offs on gold. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. Yeah, this one has been playing games with us, guys. It's seriously been playing games. So, but what do we see? We see that, yes, the market, we identified our support area, very nice. Also our resistance, very nice. Everything was quite clear. But when we go here, but before that, actually, this is just a sort of a wedge structure. But inside this wedge, you can see that actually we have a horizontal resistance and support. You see, the market is just playing games between these lines. So you can see the market is doing something like that. So on Friday, you will see that the market actually tried to break this area. But again, the market is pushing up aggressively. So which means it's not really safe. Yeah, on a hit and run here, so you can just buy here. Once the market reaches here, you can sell. But that sometimes is not really safe. It's better for us to get trades when the market is trending. But currently, the market is not actually trending. That's why maybe you can just have some hit and runs. You see, so yeah, let's push to the next one. So I'm not going to recommend any position on US30 unless we break out of these structures. For now, we just need to relax. Don't forget that, guys, we have actually a special for $35, and you also get a signal indicator for only $35. So yeah, the signals are actually lifetime. You pay once, then you're done. Then you get VIP signals, plus you get like a signal indicator once you join. So let me know. Just check on the description. You will find my WhatsApp link. You just click that, then you join. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? NASDAQ actually was pushing very nice on a very nice uptrend. Then the market started to push lower. We see a nice breakout there. Very nice breakout. Actually, before the market closed yesterday, also on Friday, most of the market, they were just pushing up. The market was just pushing up. If most of the pairs were just pushing up. So, but after that breakout, guys, there's this area that I actually wanted to point out. You see, so what if the market maybe is just adjusting? Because if we draw here, it will make sense that the market actually, it was continuing with that consolidation. What if maybe the market is doing that, then after that the market will start to push up? You see, there is that chance actually. So if that happens, we will be waiting for that. The market will show us that structure, then we can continue with that. I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually push lower, but it seems like the market is respecting this previous area here, because actually on NASDAQ we had a very nice sell pending order, but it seems like the market is not actually respecting. So I hope you're doing great, guys. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Don't forget that we still have a $35 special, which you're not supposed to miss. You also get signal indicator. If you are in South Africa, that $35 is actually $6.30. You also get signal indicator. So for those who wants the robot, actually, yes, it's $250. It's limited for few people because we no longer want to sell the systems. So we just want to focus on trading only. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye. Join the team for only $35. These are actually our VIP signals that we send actually daily. The VIP signals is actually lifetime, so you just join once and you enjoy the signals. So what's really happening is once you join, we also get our indicator. So this indicator will show you actually where to buy, where to sell. So it's just simple. You buy the signal, you also get the indicator for only $35, and it's lifetime. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.